Are you tired of watching your electricity bill skyrocket each month, wondering if there's a way to cut costs and gain some peace of mind? Stick around because we're about to reveal the best solar panels for your home that could change the way you live. Let's face it, power costs aren't going down anytime soon. The cost of electricity in the US has increased by over 20% in just the past decade. If you're renting, you're at the mercy of your landlord's rates. But if you own your home, you have control. Imagine saving thousands of dollars over the next 10 years just by switching to solar. Sounds exciting, right? But there's a catch. Wait, before you go Googling best solar panels, let me save you hours of scrolling through boring reviews and marketing fluff. Solar panels have evolved a lot in the past few years, but not all panels are created equal. The market is flooded with choices, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. So, let's break it down for you, in simple terms, of course. You might be wondering, how do I know which panels are right for my home? Well, that's where we come in. We've done the research for you. The first one is SunPower X Series. If efficiency is what you're after, the SunPower X Series has you covered. With an efficiency rate of over 22%, these panels convert more sunlight into electricity than most of their competitors. Perfect if you have limited roof space, or if you want to maximize your energy output. But wait, what if you're on a budget? Don't worry, we've got a great option coming up. The second one is LG Neon R. Next up, the LG Neon R. These panels are known for their durability and come with a 25-year warranty. They perform exceptionally well in both hot and cold climates, so if you live somewhere with unpredictable weather, these are a solid bet. It's like the Wolverine of solar panels, tough and built to last. But what if you're looking for something that's not just powerful, but also great for your wallet? Third one and most popular is Canadian Solar HICU. For those who want the best bang for their buck, the Canadian Solar HICU panels offer excellent value. While they may not have the highest efficiency, they're affordable and still reliable, perfect for homeowners looking to get started with solar without breaking the bank. Now that you know the best options, there's one final thing you need to know before making a decision, and it's something most solar companies won't tell you. Before you rush out to buy solar panels, consider this: installation costs can vary widely depending on your location and the company you choose. But the best part, with government incentives and tax credits, you can save up to 30% on your installation costs. Let me ask you this: would you rather keep paying your utility company every month or invest in something that pays you back? The choice is yours. So, if you're ready to take control of your energy bills, now's the time to act. We've linked all the details of these top-rated solar panels in the description below. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really helps us continue bringing you these in-depth guides.